So today we have the Simple Stories Boo Crew Collector's Essential Kit, plus I picked up the decorative brads and an extra chipboard sticker. What you received in the kit, which I bought from scrapbook.com, was this and then some washi tape. Here's the washi tape. So cute. So we'll put that so you guys can see it. Okay. So the brads I just really couldn't resist. I love how raised and gorgeous they are. But anyways, I'm getting ready to do I don't know, 4 or 5 cards, kind of let people see how they turn out. This was hands down my favorite kit. Something about this sweet ghost and the hearse. I mean, come on. That's actually why I bought an extra chipboard sticker pack. So let's go through it real quick. Let's see, read exactly what you have. 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, 94 stickers, washi tape, 6 by 12 chipboard stickers, and then the paper, where does it say? Bits and pieces die cut. 12 sheets of double-sided 12 by 12. Okay, so this was one of my favorites. Oh my goodness. And polka dots. I can never get enough polka dots. These skeletons, the bats, the cats, I couldn't take the cute. And I love stripes. And the rich orange, the colors are very Halloween to me. There's a stripe. Always love a good plaid. And are you kidding me with these candy corns, right? The bats, they're not scary bats, but they're good bats. Tiny polka dot. This is going to be really easy to assemble. Flags, love flags, and the spider. Could he be any cuter? Not scary at all. More polka dots. Now this is the chipboard sticker that came with it. This is the one I bought. So we got a double, which I just figured I have to have more than one of that. We got spider webs, more plaid. The tags, let me just let that sit there for a minute for people to look at all the tags. I spend so much time making tags and making backgrounds, and I love it. But I thought, this kit is so good and it caught my eye. I want to try to let someone else do the work, and I'll assemble it the way I like it to show off my style. I mean, the cat, the eek, the bats, the pumpkins, it's all just, I couldn't have come up with that. Those colors I just wouldn't have done that. Oh, that's interesting. So you can add these oh my gosh. So they gave you the tag, and on the flip side, not only do they decorate the top, you can write a message, stamp a message, or you could trim this out and use this on the inside of the card. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Well, this was a happy purchase. And these guys, I thought these would be great cut into squares and placed on the cards. You could easily do a slimline card with these. I'll have to make a slimline card and cut my favorites out. Oh my goodness. That's busy, but that looks like a night sky. That could come in handy. These, because I bought the large pad, I was hoping these images would not be too big. I got another hearse, a boo, a Halloween, a girl, a mummy. Oh my gosh, visit a pumpkin patch, jump in a pile of leaves, make Halloween costumes, drink warm apple cider, visit a corn maze, make caramel apples, go trick-or-treating. Fantastic. And then the flowers, pretty. Now these images are bigger. Okay, so these images you could make on a larger card. So I'll have to do a larger card with one of these. I mean, bottles. Look at this cat. I cannot look at these. I cannot take it. And like, I wouldn't have put beware at that angle, but now I will. And the eyes. Oh, this is tough. This is really good. These are really good. I don't know. If you buy them separate, you might want to pick up another page of this. Okay, these are really big. These would be standalone. These would be great for scrapbooking. That is really pretty. Look at these. This is going to make card making so easy. And then you have another night sky. Fantastic. These are stickers. These are, oh, nice. You've got your Hey Pumpkin. I find that I spend the most time hunting for my stamps and figuring out what die cut. So I thought if I buy a kit, it will cut down on time. So fingers crossed, that's gonna work. So this is what you get in the kit. We'll look at these without the shine on them. So you got the spooky, the witch, the candle, the hearse. Oh my gosh, oh, a banner, so gorgeous. Okay, so I am thrilled with this kit. We looked at the brads. We'll still sit them so you can see them. Go through the bits and pieces. It's 49 pieces. I mean, really. Look at that. Have you ever seen a sweeter bat than that? Oh my gosh. Maybe that's what we'll do. We'll put each one on here. Oh, that's great. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. It is all about the candy, isn't it? Spooky days. Look at that witch hat. And I love a good eek. Love a good eek. This is a ton. So you have multiple bats. We'll put her right here, her fabulous self. She's got a couple of headstones. We have more stars. Oh my gosh. So as I'm laying it down, she could be holding a piece of candy. A star could be, look, you've got a card. Hey, pumpkin. This was my goal, to just get stuff, play, have just a blast. Well, Kitty is fabulous. And we'll put the couple together. Oh, they should have made it so they could hold hands, but they're still really cute. There's your card. You can situate him. That's awfully busy. These are fantastic. That's very vintage. Give a little pumpkin, pop him up. Oh, I hope you can see that far down. You can't see that far down. There you go. The mummy. Look at the mummy. Did I miss mummy paper in this one? I don't know. I don't think there was mummy paper, but I may have just missed it. 'Tis the season to be spooky. I am loving these. Look at this. Banners. You don't have to die cut. You don't have to trim out. Happy Halloween. There is an endless supply of fun in this kit. And I believe the only thing I added were the decorative brads, and I bought the extra set of chipboard stickers. So that sums up that. But if you have an extra minute, I just wanted to show you, because I was on scrapbook.com, and although this one was my favorite and I bought all the goodies that went with it, I noticed there were a few other good kits. Well, there were like 4 or 5 other good kits. And I thought, well, I bought everything for this one, so that's going to be easy. Next challenge, buy another kit that doesn't come with so much. So I picked up Halloween Market. And I know there's videos where people have shown all the all the fabulous pictures of paper. These colors are very similar. You could intertwine these. They are very similar because I always enjoy black, orange, white. I think it just pops. I like purple and green as well. So I decided, let's see about I Love Halloween. And I know there's been people who have shown all the ins and outs of the I Love Halloween. So I bought the ephemera, the paper pack, on both of these. So I'll do a video on both of these as well as this one, but I'm going to do simple stories first. All right, guys, wish me luck. Click subscribe, see how it turns out. Thanks for watching.